What is up, fellow pyros? It's Evan here, and I'm going to share with you how I make my poor man's rack using Excalibur mortars. Actually, this is from a sniper kit. If you're familiar with that kit, it's by Cutting Edge, and it's a pretty good kit. So yeah, stay tuned. Guys, I put one of the tubes on. It's pretty stable. I put 2 screws in for now, and it's pretty stable. So you can lift it up. It's still pretty stable. And then we're gonna go ahead and put them side by side. Let me do one. It's kind of hard, guys, because I have one hand. So one second, guys. Let me just, I'm trying to think. I'm just gonna actually put you guys, actually right here. See the action, as we would call it. And so guys, this is a okay. Now I usually put 4 down, but for this day I don't think we're gonna need any. So yeah, we got that. Stay tuned. And see here, we put 6 mortars on here, and we have 8. We don't have the 2 with us, but yeah. Thank you guys for watching.
It's to us.
Don't forget to like and subscribe, and comment below. Arcade Bubble here, signing off, and bye.